Keep on coming here, guys. Watch your step going down this little edge.
See the bird?
Yeah, right under those sticks right next
to okay.
Right by the ground grass.
Right by that.
Why don't we do this? You swing left. Stay on this high ground right here. See if you can get you a window. Maybe go past those limbs. Good to go?
Mm-hmm.
Oh yeah. Nice shot there. Did we hit the one on the left?
Nope.
Atta girl, Bean, come. Oh, look at this. Spanky's gonna get it. Fetch it up, Spanky. Bean, come. Drop. You sure you didn't hit it? Drop. Atta girl, Spanky. Come. Come. Atta girl, Spanky, come. Come here, girl. Oh, you good hound. 2 up, 2 down, baby.
There you go.
I like it.